In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the same Telegram on two devices parallelly. So let's just get straight into the video. So using the same Telegram account on two devices simultaneously is supported natively via cloud synchronization, which allows parallel use on multiple phones or tablets. So all you need to do is firstly install Telegram on your phone. And once you've done that, all you need to do is the phone to phone setup. So how you're going to be doing that is going to be by opening the app, selecting your country, entering your main phone number, and then input a confirmation code sent to the Telegram app on your first phone. The second way you can do this is going to be by using it on the desktop. And in order to do that, all you need to do is head into settings, head into devices, and link another device. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.